Last 2 years, I personally have crewed for a team, and this year I have myself got into this madness.
RQ 141. 3, 2, 1, go!
Probably the only reason I'm doing it is because she gifted me a bike this year. Looking forward to finishing it strong.
I'm 19 years old. This is my first long distance racing which I am attempting.
So it's a mind game because the terrain is tough. एकदम फाईन.
क्रू मेंबरचा सपोर्ट सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा असतो, कारण प्रत्येक टर्नला आपल्याला क्रू मेंबर गाईड करतात.
Race becomes a cliffhanger because of the tough route. We ensure that the route is so tough, and that's the cliffhanger element of this race.
Why such rules? We are enjoying absolutely.
Race route went straight down from NH4 till Belgaum. At Belgaum, we were hosted by Dipin Shah at the bike shop called Infinity Studio, which has been a control point for Deccan Cliffhanger 3 or 4 times so far. The race route from Belgaum headed into Dandeli Forest, and this added an unexpected element of difficulty to the race. The difficulty level at Dandeli Forest came after you have already ridden 350 kilometers, so fatigue and exhaustion has already started to take a toll on your body, and now you enter the section to Dandeli Forest, which was constantly rolling terrain in dense forest. Those of the racers who went through this section in the night would also have had to deal with low visibility due to fog. It was an interesting sight watching Kabir, his crew car, Chaitanya's crew car, and it was slightly foggy night scenario in which they came out of the forest, followed close on the heels by one of the teams, which was Team Axis, and these three then continued to be very close to each other until Kabir finally pulled ahead.
The best part which I looked upon was the Dandeli Forest, but it was scary as hell during the night. The fog, the atmosphere while riding, the speed which we gave was totally next level.
Having fun, big fun.
From Karwar, they had to now go head north for Goa, and this involved 100 kilometers of racing along the coastline, which meant a lot of humidity compared to our usual race route.
How many kilometers are left? for making me go through this after like a 34-hour ride, you know.
Kabir won the race in 24 hours and 41 minutes, winning first place at the Deccan Cliffhanger. He was followed a little under 1 hour later by Chaitanya Velhal in second position, and Kapil Sharma finished in just under 28 hours to secure the third position.
The rolling terrain at the end, it slowed me down. Then the bad roads. I think most of that time me and Kabir were there together, and so it was easier like that, you know. साथ में संगे मर दोनों का स्पीड मैच हो रहा था, तो कोई आगे पीछे नहीं जा रहा था, क्या करे अभी. सो हाँ, काफ़ी एंजॉय किए एक दूसरे का कंपनी, काफ़ी बातें की, रैम के बारे में बातें की, और थोड़ा ऑब्जर्व भी किया कि चैतन्य कहाँ पे फास्ट है, कहाँ पे स्लो है थोड़ा सा.
Raj Lakshmi finished in over 41 hours, which is 3 hours more than even the Inspire India cutoff. You know, it was really very impressive for me to see the crew ensure that Raj Lakshmi does not give up and continues to ride in spite of the fact that they were getting so late. And we were very, very pleased to see them come. In fact, we gave them the award for, you know, the most outstanding crew.
All in all, I would say a very well organized race, and there were volunteers who were very helpful at different places.